Hey guys, I just wanted to check in, see how everybody's doing. Uh, Strange times, right? Never seen anything like this before. Hopefully, we don't see it again. I hope you guys are keeping busy. I hope you're getting outside, away from people, but enjoying the outdoors as you get a chance. Um, I am trying to teach kindergartner and a third grader every day, and I will tell you that I think teaching 136 graders um, easier than teaching a kindergartner and a third grader. So I miss you guys. I hope you're doing well. My coffee cup this morning kind of says it all. Keep those good vibes. Okay, get some exercise. Stay in contact with people. Uh, However you need to do that. Email, phone calls, FaceTimes, TikTok for some of you. Whatever you're doing, but I just wanted to check in, say hi. Um, I've gotten some questions. What are we supposed to be doing? I've put optional assignments up on Google Classroom for you. Again, they are optional at this point. They are ungraded. So I'm just putting some stuff up there if you're looking to keep busy and kind of keep your mind sharp. I know I appreciate when my kids' teachers are putting stuff up for them. As I try to teach a kindergarten and third grade, I'm thankful for anything they give me to work with. So right now they're optional. I don't know what's going to happen looking forward to next week. So you'll find out. Probably when I find out. If I know something before you, I'll let you know. Things might change a little bit where okay, now they're not optional anymore. Now they're more assignment based, but that's not the case right now. So until that happens, just keep on doing what you're doing, and keep positive. And I'll check back in with you soon. Okay, so I miss you guys. I hope you're doing well. Um, Brighten somebody's day today. Do something positive. This is a great time to write letters to people, and send them or put them in a mailbox of somebody just to kind of brighten their day. I know my kids are doing a lot of sidewalk chalk writing when the weather permits, and my daughter's currently working on cards right now to put in some friends' mailboxes and some maybe send to her grandparents. So anything like that you can do to brighten somebody's day when we're all kind of separated is a great thing. So hang in there. I'll check back with you soon, and see ya.